Okay, number 3, you're going to see these, they're large. And what I want you to do, there's 4 in here. These are that foamy material I've shown you before. And you're going to take these and you're going to put them right over the edge like this. Now, I've given you 4, so you could put 2 in case one's not enough, but you're going to do this, and then you're going to put it back in like this. So assuming that you've already set your length, you'll want to just set your length first so we know what your length is. Just I'm assuming this is. So do what you'd normally do. You're going to put this back on, okay, and then this piece basically comes up like this, okay, and you're going to bring it all the way up and over. All right. So it goes over and under. So notice it's covering here, the little metal piece, and it's covering the outsides here. Now, if you need to, feel free to put a second one on for added padding, but it's going to look like that when you use it. And the padding's going to be right there. If you put a second, you'll have twice as much padding. When you go to take it off, so now you're tightening it up, right? When you go to take it off, just pull this up, pull this all the way out, and you're going to slide this all the way down your leg. Now, you could also, I guess, if you want to, you could look under here, and you could do that, and the next time you have to set it up, you'll have to just do this too. But whatever's easier for you, okay? All right. Tell me how it works.